Hello everyone, and welcome to French Fried Trades. Today, we're going to be doing another road vehicle here, just because I'm still on vacation and don't have time to design and build a full tutorial of a train request. So to make it easy and quick for me on my vacation here, we're just going to do a recolor of the ambulance that we built previously. And this is the Life EMS ambulance, and this was the ambulance around the area I grew up in, so it was a pretty easy recolor for me to do a quick tutorial today to have something to put out for you guys. So we're going to start off with the front wheels, so take out a block of coal and put it down. On the side of it, a polished andesite slab and another block of coal. On the front of it, 3 polished andesite slabs, and behind it, 2 rows of 3 on the upper hitbox. Then, behind this, we're going to go 5 wide with polished andesite slabs, and we're going to turn that into a 5 by 5 of slabs on the upper hitbox. Behind this, 3 slabs in the middle and a block of coal on either side. Then behind that, 2 more rows of 5 polished andesite slabs. Then we're going to grab an iron trapdoor and put 5 trapdoors across the back. Then we'll go through and we're going to put an item frame on all 4 of these wheels. And then put a smooth stone block in all 4 item frames here. Then we're going to come up front with wax oxidized cut copper stairs, put an outward facing stair on either side of the front up here, and then an upside down stone brick stair in the middle. On the center here, we're going to put a birch sign, and on the sign, we're going to do 3 full rows of all equal signs. And make sure they're all the same length. And then once we have that, we're going to hit it with white dye and a glowing sack. Now come behind this, and above each front wheel, we're going to put an upside down, outward facing oak stair, then a lime concrete in the middle, then 1 here and here. Behind that, put a yellow concrete on each side. Then we'll come up on top of the front. On the very front, put 3 white carpet, then 3 smooth quartz slabs behind it. Then behind this, we're going to come in the middle, and we're going to put a fence gate here, a stair here. Then 2 rows of 3 black stained glass blocks up here. Then on the front up here, we'll do 3 white carpet and 3 smooth quartz slabs. Then we're going to come on this outer edge here with lime concrete again, and we'll do 5 here, then an upside down stone brick stair above the wheel, 2 lime concrete here. Then come across the back with it, 1 here, upside down stone brick stair, and 5 lime concrete here. Then, on the side of the front here, we're going to put a lever and another brick fence here, and same thing on this side. Then a stone button on the side here and here. Then we're going to take smooth quartz block right here, and we're going to come 2 tall with it all the way down the side. Then come 2 high across the back, and then back up this side 2 high, stopping before the front windows here. Then come in here, and we're going to put 2 here, 1 on the top middle, and 2 here. Then on the next layer up, starting right here, we're going to go 5 wide with lime concrete up here. And we're going to fill this whole top into the back, 5 wide, with our lime concrete. So it looks like this. Now we're going to come on top of the front up here, put 3 daylight sensors, and on each front corner, a glow item frame with a redstone block. Then come on top of the side, and on each corner of this side, a glow item frame with a redstone block. Then 1 glow item frame right here with a white concrete. Then we're going to put 3 birch buttons here and 2 here. Then we'll do the other side. So we're going to put a glow item frame on each top corner with a redstone block. Then 1 up here with a white concrete. then 2 birch buttons here and 3 here. So it looks like that. Then come on the back, 1 glow item frame on each top corner with a redstone block, then change this block and this block to yellow concrete. Then we're going to come down on the bottom 2 corners, and on each bottom corner we'll also put a glow item frame with a redstone block. Then we have a bunch of banners to make. So we'll come into a loom with a lime banner in yellow dye, and we'll do one with this diagonal and another one with the opposite diagonal. Then we're going to do one more banner with the left half yellow and then make the top half white like this. Then we're going to take this one with white and we're going to put 5 coming back right here, then 2 on this back corner behind the wheel right here. And we'll do the same thing over here. So we'll put 2 here and then 5 here. Then I just realized we need to add white to the diagonal ones as well. I forgot to do that. So we'll come back in and we're going to make the top half of both of these diagonal banners white. Then we're going to come on the back and put this one here and the opposite one here. Just like that. Now we're going to come back into a loom. This time a white banner and blue dye. Put a vertical in the center, then a horizontal on the center. Then we'll do this diagonal and this diagonal. Then put a white border on that. Then we'll switch to a lime banner and yellow dye and put this X on it, and then make the top half white. And then we'll place these. So we'll come back here on the back middle. This one goes here. Then we're going to take this white and blue one and we're going to put it up here on this back corner. And then same thing, put it right here. Then we're going to come up here on the side and we're actually going to change this block to a red glazed terracotta. And then we'll do the same thing over here, change this one to a red glazed terracotta. Then we have another banner to make, so come into a loom with a black banner and white dye. Put a white border on it and make the bottom half white. And these will be for the back windows and the side door. So we're going to come on the back and we're going to put one here and one here. And then come on this side only and put one right here. Then we're going to come up on this front corner where this stair is and put a birch sign here. And on it we're going to do 2 rows of hashtags. And then we'll do the same thing on this side. Put a sign here. And on the sign do 2 rows of hashtags. And then once we have that, we can hit it with an orange dye and a glowing sack, and then do the same thing on this sign. Then on the front, we're going to put a glow item frame on either side with a frog light for the headlights like this. Then we have to make another banner, so we're going to come into a loom with a blue banner and white dye. We're going to put a horizontal on the center and on bottom, go to blue dye and put a vertical in the middle. Then go to light gray dye and make the top half light gray. Then go to white dye and put a white border on it. And this is for the extra lights and logo on the back, so we're going to come back here and put one on each side like this. Now we're going to come back into a loom with a white banner and red dye, and we're going to put a vertical on the left, horizontal on bottom. New banner, vertical in the middle. New banner, vertical on the left, horizontal on the middle and the top. New banner, vertical on the left, horizontal on the middle, the top, and the bottom. Then go to white dye and surround all 4 of these letter banners with a white border. Then we'll come place these on the side. So we're going to come up right here and use your banners to spell out the word life right here. Then we'll do the same thing on this side. Come over here, use the banners to spell out life. And here I realized my mistake. My black banner is too far over, so I had to take it off to fit the eon. And then we have to move that black banner over, so I had to make it again here. So I had to get another black banner and white dye. And same thing, put a white border on it, make the bottom half white. And then we can move this door over one and put it right here. Then we're going to come on the top and we're going to put an iron trap door here and here. Then on this middle right here, we're going to knock out 2 rows of 3 in the center and fill it with smooth quartz. And then we're going to go everywhere there's lime and yellow concrete on top and cover it in lime carpet. So we leave that white rectangle in the middle, just like that. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our life EMS ambulance. I hope everyone enjoyed the build. I know we've done this ambulance before, but the colors on this one really pop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there.